senior high band, and we are going to be playing Deck the Halls with Chips and Salsa, but I have to thank a lot of people first. I need to thank you for allowing the students to continue on with music education, and it's awesome. Being able to teach them every day, every morning and every evening, sometimes nights, evenings, at parades, and everywhere. It's a great experience for me. So I definitely thank you for that. I would like to also thank our administration, Mr. Meehan, Dr. Howell, Mrs. Retort, Mr. Latera. They support us a lot here for what we do and what we can offer here. And so if we could give them a round of applause, please. And then finally, thank you for dealing with me and putting up with me and working consistently and constantly for me. So I appreciate that. This is Deck the Halls with Chips and Salsa. Have a great holiday. Have a great time with your family. Be careful on the roads and have a great holiday. It's probably going to take a couple minutes for us to get off the stage here. So thank you very much. Mr. Adicott, if you could turn up the lights, have a great holiday.
You stepped on that one, I'll take one.